Hello YouTubers, how are you? Hello everyone. Today I found something which is really hard to find because of a simple reason. They don't make it anymore, so it's discontinued. I found it here in one shop in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Very cheap. I'll stand up so you can record everything, the price, the model and everything. And of course, Great Plains, California. The date is 6th, 2010. Slowly, all the information. This is important too. Technical data and everything. I want to record everything. Nice. Detailed. Yeah. This thing too. This is really a nice wing. It's very light. The whole thing, right? With boxes. With everything. $480. Let's open it up. Comes with the nice wings. Okay. One wing, 22 grams. Another wing, 21 grams, 43 grams. The wings itself are very nice. It's very light. It's styrofoam. It seems like, you can come closer, it seems like they have like some kind of skin, like Bespannung on German, like covering with it thin. If you move, you see how it. So it's very soft. It's not very durable, but because it's protected on both sides, and this decor is also Spannung. This is a plywood connection for the winglets, and came finished, pre-hinged with tape, hinge tape, nicely done. Even has the openings for the servos are big, like holes for the, and even has a string to pulling, I guess, pulling the cables out. So inside there is winglets, and of course they're gonna be screwed back. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very nice, sleek. Everything inside. This probably comes on the bottom side, like this. And this comes on this side. The whole thing goes like this. And then the motor. The model itself, it's so old that it comes with a pre-installed brushed motor, so it's not brushless. It's easy to do that later. But anyway, it should go like this. That's generally how it looks. The cabin itself is very nice. Lots of place for electronic, speed controller, receiver and everything, and the winglets, right? That's how it should look. So the whole plane, it's 80 centimeters. So let's put it to the scale. So winglets with the plastic, with everything. One wing, second wing, motor, cabin, pieces. Oh yeah, this thing here inside the bag. Carbon, fiber rods. Oops. And these things here. Put everything together. Of course, when I assemble the model, we're gonna weight it. So 134 grams. It's not touching anything. And plus the battery, 2 servos. So if you calculate 9 grams per servo or less, 99 is 18. Plus a little bit weight. So 20 and 134, 20. So 154, and the battery, like 50 grams. Yeah, about 150 grams, and 250 grams is allowed without license. So this is the idea. And this is a slinger, mini slinger. They don't make it anymore, I don't know why. These are the manuals, stickers, and the manuals. So it says 215 up to 240 grams, complete, and all the information. This is very, very nicely done. Even has this tag, which you put on the model or inside the model in case you. Installation manual. It's very nicely done. Today it's not the case. Everything comes pre-installed and everything is ready, and even then people don't fly that often. Anyway, that was the Mini Slinger. Next video, I promise it's not gonna be opening, it's gonna be flying, test flying the model. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.